Hello. In this video, I want to talk to you about a question that many people ask me about if it's a good time to buy. Very good question. Understanding the whole situation, I ask my client what are the reasons why they come to me to buy a house. Some of the reasons are because of they wanted to offer security to their family. They wanted to escalate on the town they're living. They want to ground themselves, show to the world that they reaching the American dream. And also, I always tell my buyers, if you have the credits, the right credit score, if you have the money to buy, if you have the money to buy and you have the job history for 2 years, consecutive year, if you have that and you are able to afford that, and if you're paying too much on rent, and you have family, you have kids, the time to buy is now. And I tell you why, because many times in the past, I have clients who say, let's wait for the houses to go down. And guess what? We don't have the crystal ball to see what's going to happen in the future. But if you are able to qualify right now, guess what? This is your moment. This is what you're going to take advantage of it. Why? Because if you're paying high rent, which is been going up a lot, and you're uncomfortably living on a place that they don't let your kid even play a little bit in the yard or something like that, everything is lined up for you. Take action. I know the interest rate are a little higher, but sooner or later or sometime you might have, in the future, the interest might come down, and then you already have a home, you can refinance and adjust that monthly payment, but at least you're already taking that action that sooner or later is going to have to happen. There are millions and millions of homeowners. There is a reason why they bought a house, because they have tax benefit, they have equity benefit, they have pride benefit, and family benefit, protection money, many benefits. Long story short, is you're planning to buy and you're able to qualify. The question is, the right time to buy is now. If you have any question, you wanted to have some information about the process, buying or selling a home, refinancing, call us 631-617-5135. Thank you very much.